Today, we're exploring the journey of Thomas Ravenel, the former South Carolina politician and reality TV star from Southern Charm. His career has been marked by political ambition, legal troubles, and a high-profile exit from reality television. So, where is Thomas Ravenel now? Let's find out. Thomas Ravenel comes from a prominent political family in South Carolina. He was elected as the state treasurer in 2006, but resigned just 5 months later after being indicted on federal cocaine distribution charges, for which he served 10 months in prison. He later became a key cast member on Southern Charm, where his turbulent personal life and relationship with Catherine Dennis were heavily featured. Ravenel was fired from Southern Charm in 2018, following multiple accusations of sexual assault, including one involving his children's former nanny. He ultimately pleaded guilty to third-degree assault and battery in connection to the nanny's case, paying a $500 fine and donating $80,000 to a sexual assault survivors charity. After leaving the show and dealing with legal issues, Ravenel has focused on his family life. He and Catherine Dennis work on their co-parenting relationship for their 2 children, Kensington and Street Julienne. He also welcomed a son, Jonathan, with a new partner in 2020. Where is Thomas Ravenel now? As of now, Thomas Ravenel is living a private life in South Carolina and focusing on his family and real estate business. He has maintained a low public profile, especially on social media. He still runs his commercial real estate development company, the Ravenel Development Corporation. In February 2025, he announced a bid for governor of South Carolina, but withdrew from the race within days, stating, "It's more important to raise my family than to seek political office." Thomas Ravenel has transformed from a public-facing politician and reality star into a private citizen, prioritizing his family and business. While his past continues to generate discussion, he is working to move on with his life. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.